name's Jerry Guirlinger. I'm the president of FlexCart, and I wanted to introduce to you today another one of our new carts being added to our product line. This is called the FC-400 light bulb cart. We've had a lot of people ask us for a cart that would help them change out light bulbs, and so we went to work on trying to make something out of our standard footprint, because it's so mobile, that would accommodate the light bulbs and the chores that are needed to do when you're changing light bulbs. So what we have here is the ability to carry a full box of T12 light bulbs very comfortably in front of the handle here, and then also up to a 6-foot ladder that would come with these items. These items don't come with the cart, but they're on the cart to show you how they would be carried. So you have room to get these bulbs out of here, even under an 8-foot ceiling, and then in the drawers and compartments you have room to carry 2-foot light bulbs of different styles. You can in these drawers you can carry bulbs that are packaged in or items that are packaged in under 4 inches in height, 3 inches in height, and then 2 inches. So you've got quite a bit of room for tools that you might need when you're doing work, maybe ballast change or something else that you might have to do regarding maintenance of light fixtures. And then you've got tons of room to carry light bulbs and other components of a fixture. You've also got this space down at the bottom here, which can just be there for whatever else additional that you may need to carry. The whole point, though, is that you've got a ton of room in a very compact space. On the back side, you can see how narrow this cart is. That's one of the things that people love about it. And frankly, the narrowness combined with mobility. You can see that I got a ladder on the front of this, and it's got bulbs on it. I mean, it's very easy for me to control and move this, even on carpet. So that is really the thing that we shoot for in carts, is making them easy to move. If they're easy to move, you're going to want to take them, and that's going to help you. On this side of the cart, you can see we've got pockets for who knows what else you might have in your facility that's odd shaped or you just need to carry along in this effort. But you've got all kinds of room here to do that. And then on top, you've got another space that becomes like a box or a work surface. So as you're traveling along, it can be a box, or pull this down, now you're working on something. Maybe you're taking a fixture apart or installing a new fixture or something like that. So what you have is, great wheels. You got all the features that you love about FlexCart in here. It's even still got the vise built into it in case you need that. And all that mobility. Everything you love about FlexCart built in.